Adding a custom domain to Firebase Hosting connects your site to a branded URL. This requires domain ownership, DNS access, and Firebase project setup. The process takes 15 to 30 minutes. DNS propagation occurs in 1 to 48 hours. Free SSL included. Prepare domain. Purchase a domain, for example, via GoDaddy, Namecheap. Log into your registrar's DNS panel. Access Firebase console. Go to console.firebase.google.com. Select your project. Hosting tab. Add custom domain. Enter. Domain. Type your domain, for example, mysite.com or www.mysite.com. Click Continue. Update DNS records. A records. In registrar, add to a records. Host tar at error or blank. Points to SAR 151, 101, 195, and 151, 101, 65.195, TTL, 1 hour. TXT record host, abat ars value, Firebase's verification string, TTL ars 1 hour. For WW, add CNAME, host, brever WW, points to bees yourproject.firebaseapp.com. And verify ownership. Back in Firebase, click Verify. It checks DNS, may take 30 mins. Once verified, click Continue. Connect and deploy, Firebase provisions, SSL, auto HTTPS. Redeploy, run Firebase deploy, only hosting in CLI, site live at custom domain.